Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery. Our certified pre-owned machinery is located in-house, and we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. For an up-to-date list of machinery for sale, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. Remember to check back often as our inventory changes daily, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And additionally, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. Also check out our website for hundreds of new machines and request a highly competitive quote. We are going to do a walkthrough of a Weinig U22N 6-head Moulder package. This is not a production used machine. It was used in a small custom shop, and it really does show. As a matter of fact, everything that you see here with the machine is what they used with the machine, meaning they didn't have 200 heads. They had a set of heads, setup stand, so on and so forth. This machine is also wearing its original paint. Yes, it is truly that clean. This is also a complete package deal, so you're gonna get everything that you see except for the cart, that's ours. This machine does have a bottom, right, left, top, bottom head configuration. You will also find an R930 knife grinder, a setup stand, a set of heads, transfer arbor, spare feed wheels, spacers. This machine does have a 9-inch by 4 3/4 inch capacity. The bottom head on this machine is 7.5 horsepower. The right head is 10 horsepower. The left head is 15 horsepower. The first top head is 10 horsepower. The second top head is 15 horsepower. The bottom head is 10 horsepower. And the feed is 7.5 horsepower. This machine is currently wired 230 volt 3-phase. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.